Uy, madre santa, man.
A light aircraft plunging out of the sky into a house in Haddam, Connecticut, USA. The aircraft pierced through the middle of the home, with its wings protruding from the roof.
Oh!
A General Aviation Cirrus SR-22 crashed at the Imperial War Museum Airfield in Duxford.
Did you just get on film? Yeah?
You can see a bright glow of fire was from the left main landing gear from a Royal Air Maroc Boeing 737-800 operating flight at 1400 from Casablanca to Ujeda, Morocco. There was no explosion and the plane landed safely on Ujeda's runway 06. Thankfully, no injuries. Thank you to all the firefighters in the sky